Hey there, YouTubers. If you're watching this video, I bet it's because you locked your roll-top desk and you don't have the key. Or perhaps you left the key inside the roll-top desk. And the type of roll-top desk that I have is a double locking roll-top desk with a lock on each end. One day I came back and I realized it had been locked. It had been closed. And I never closed my desk before. And so I didn't even know if I even had the key. That's the sound of a locking desk. And now I didn't have the key. So I came over here and I'm like, how am I going to unlock this? I looked at the keyhole and thought maybe I could use another key or something. Of course I didn't have one. And so I couldn't figure out what to do. I looked at the frame, thinking, am I going to have to break this off? I looked on YouTube, and I couldn't really find anything that explained how to open this kind of roll-top desk. So let me show you two methods of how to unlock this roll-top desk. The first method I'm going to show you is using a tool to unlock it. So this keyhole here is like an older key, like one of those old skeleton keys. And so I thought, what can I use to open it? And I found this. This is something I got from a paint store, which is used to open a paint lid. It almost looks like a screwdriver that's bent at the tip. So what I did was I took this device, this tool, and I put it inside the keyhole. But I realized that you need to put it about that deep, and not, when you first put it in, it only goes so deep. So I played around and I was able to push it in deeper. Just have to wiggle it around. And then I just played around with it and felt for the lever and lifted it up. And you just know when you got it, and it loosens up. You'll be able to lift up one side. And you remove this, and then I take a pencil, and I so that it can stay open, right? So, because if I let it go, it'll lock again, and you'll see what the locking mechanism looks like. Then I put it, I turn it the other way to my right, the tip to the right, and I put it back in again. And I make sure it goes deep enough. So first it might only go this deep, and then I just jiggle it around and it goes deeper. And then I again push it to the right and feel for it to unlock. And there you go. It's unlocked. So if you look under here, there is almost like a metal thin strip that when I'm pushing it this way to the left, there's a strip here that pushes this locking mechanism here is open. So I'll show you here. I'll put this in here like this, and when I go like this, you notice that it moves. And this fits in to the bottom here, the bottom plate here on the desk. And it's like a door, like a door, how a door closes and locks. So that's on that side, and then same thing on the other side. Down and pull it out, and then you've unlocked it. Now let me show you the other way. If you don't have this tool, and maybe is a way you want to do it, is basically just get some card. This is like some advertisement mail. I got a thick card and I folded it so it's thick enough, but you can also get like a old plastic card, like an expired maybe credit card. What you're going to do is you're going to slide this in between the desk and the lock, the roll top portion, and you're going to basically open the latch like this. Okay, so when you slide it through, you're just going to unlock it here and then do the same thing on the other side. So let me demonstrate. So once again, that happens. Oh, it's open. Okay. There, now it's locked tight, right? I take my card, I fold it so it's tight. I take it and I lift this up if I need to a little bit, slide it in here, and then just hit the latch. Hear that? Hit the latch and it opens a little bit. Take your pencil or other thing to hold the space. It doesn't close completely again. Go to the other side and do the same thing. There you go. And there you have it. Lift it up and it's open. So that's how you can unlock your roll top desk if you have a double latch system. And if that was helpful, please like and subscribe.